Take this, Mia. Go enjoy your birthday with your friends.
I didn't order this. Stop apologizing for me. Then stop making me need to.
Good evening. May I help you?
You can start by moving faster.
Do you have a reservation? Hi, Mia. I am glad you came.
This is the table you chose?
I thought it was nice.
It is close to everyone staring. This water looks warm. They just brought it. That does not make it good.
How was your day?
Terrible.
What happened?
People were slow. People were annoying.
That sounds tiring.
Do you always repeat obvious things?
I just wanted to listen.
Then listen better.
Good evening. I will help your table.
Mia, thanking people is normal. Then you thank him. Order this.
I wanted pasta.
Pasta is messy,
It is my dinner.
and I must sit near it. Mia, let him choke. Do not parent me. Then stop acting impossible. Look what your unstable table did.
Mia, you slammed the menu.
Do not take their side.
We should slow down.
We should get a better table.
Is everything all right here?
Does this look all right? It was an accident. It was poor service.
Please do not blame him.
You are defending a napkin?
I am defending fairness.
You sound weak.
Here is a dry menu.
Finally. Mia, what are you doing? I am helping him decide.
Please stop.
You clearly need help. That is not help. You would not know.
I do not want dinner chosen for me.
Why is everyone watching me? Because you are making a scene. You made this awkward.
No, Mia. You did.
Come with me for 1 minute. You need to breathe.
I am perfectly fine.
No. You are hurting people. You are making me look crazy. I am trying to protect you. You are trying to control me. Please, just 1 minute. You are scaring Ethan. He scares too easily. You embarrassed him. Stop acting better than me. I am not better. Then stop correcting me. I correct you because I care.
Right this way, please. We are delighted to have you join us this evening.
Thank you. This is smaller than the picture.
I can check with the kitchen.
You should have checked before serving it.
It looks fine.
You would accept anything. Mia, please stop attacking everyone. Neither is this dinner. The plate moved.
You pushed it.
You keep blaming me.
Because you keep doing things.
We may need to clean this area.
Then clean it. You are watching them clean your mess. That is their job.
Please do not record this.
People should know this place is bad. You made the spill happen. You are obsessed with defending strangers.
They are not strangers to themselves.
Say that again. Do not touch my phone. Do not touch my phone.
Then stop using it to hurt people.
Everyone here is so dramatic.
Please lower your voice.
Tell him to lower his weakness. Stop before this gets worse. He cannot even handle a simple dinner. You are really mad at me. You made Ethan feel small. You made the waiter feel worthless. You made the host repair your behavior. You made a little boy afraid. Then why do you sound different? Because I am tired. You ruined my dinner!
I am sorry. I can fix this.
People like you never listen.
I am still sorry. That is Mom.
Someone treated her like I treated them. I hurt you too. Yes, you did. I came to apologize properly.
I am listening.
I humiliated you. I made your kindness look weak. It was not weak. I was cruel.
Thank you for saying that.
I treated you like you did not matter.
That night was difficult.
I saw someone hurt my mother at work.
Then I understood what I did.
I know. I am sorry.
Thank you for coming back.